Welcome back to the land of the blue pen, the final example of this, okay? So we've got a 150 horsepower tractor. We're going to turn that into watts, right? So 150 times 745.7. Okay, 150 times 745.7. That is, wow, that's a lot. 111,855 watts. So that is our power, 111,855. All right, so let's see. And then 350 kilogram load, that's our mass. We are definitely dragging and not lifting, right? Okay, the coefficient is 0.78. And let's see, we have everything. We got the mass in there. We've got the coefficient in there. We've got the power. Okay. So let's see, I think we want to know how far, right? So D is what we want to figure out, right? I think, oh, in a minute, okay, it's like we're missing something there. Okay, a minute is 60 seconds, there we go. Okay, so now I think we're set, because I think we can go power times time is work, right? Work is, work over time is power. Right, so therefore work is power times time, right? So 111.855, and that's joules per second. That's what a watt is. Ha! Okay, times 60 seconds is going to be kind of a lot of joules. So times 60. Oh, wow, that's a lot. Okay, how do you say that number? That is 6,711,300 joules of work, right? Okay, and then let's see. We've got the mass. I think we can figure out force now, right? So we could have started with this as well, but I'm going to figure out force, right? So force is mu times m times g, because we're dragging, right? So 0.78 times 350 times 9.8. Okay, so I'm going to store this guy in someplace, right, because I want it back. And then 0.78 times 350 times 9.8 is 2675.4. And that's our force. It's newtons. All right, and now I believe we can find distance. We're going to use this guy, right? So we did this one first, then we did this one. We could have done these in any order, but now this is the final one, right? Okay, so this is number 3, right? Work is force times distance. So distance is work divided by force, right? Distance equals work divided by force, right? So let's keep these guys separated. Okay, so work divided by force is distance. So the work is a lot. 6,711,300 Newton meters divided by, let's see, force is 2675.4 newtons, right? So that our distance should be that divided by that, right? Okay, so alpha A was my answer before, divided by the answer that I just got. And I get 2508 meters. 0.522, which is 2,500 meters, right? We only really have a couple digits here, right? So about 2,500 meters or 2.5 kilometers. All right.